Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to change background color on iPhone keyboard. The first thing you need to do is open App Store, and from here you're going to type in Gboard and you're going to download the Gboard app. As you can see right here, it's from Google and it's completely free. You're going to tap on Open after downloading the app and you're going to select Get Started. Once you have done that, it is going to redirect you to this page, and from here you are going to select keyboards and you simply want to toggle it on, then tap on allow full access, then you are going to tap on allow. If it does not redirect you to this page, the other option that I would recommend you do, once in settings, you are going to select general, then from here you are going to scroll down, select keyboard, then tap on keyboards at the top of the page and you would tap on add new keyboard and then select Gboard. After doing that, you're going to close out of that, and if I should open the messaging app, for example, and select a message and then look on my keyboard, you are going to see the globe icon in the bottom left hand corner. You are going to press down on that, then select Gboard. After selecting Gboard, as you can see right here, you can see numerous options. Let me press down on the globe icon again, then select Settings. After selecting Settings, it will redirect you to this page and you are going to tap on Themes. After selecting themes, you will see numerous options you can choose from. So let's say, for example, I would like to change it to this one right here, landscapes. I could simply tap on that, then go back. And if I should go back, you will realize that the keyboard has changed. Let me show you real quick. You can see right there. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.